Do you want to know how you can log into your Rezi AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Rezi AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Rezi AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Rezi AI. You can see login on the top right hand side, or you can just select your Google account. Go ahead and click login and it will take you to this login portal where you can see you can log in using your Facebook, Google or your email address. To log in using your email address, go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here. Write down your password in this box and then click sign in. This way you can sign in to your Rezi AI using your email address. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up and create a Rezi AI account for yourself now. If you want to skip this and want to follow the easy way and log in using Facebook or Google, go ahead and choose one and make sure you are logged in this browser with your Google account or your Facebook account, and you can click continue to sign into Rezi AI, and in a while you can notice that you will be logged into your Rezi AI account using your Google or your Facebook account with whichever you choose. Now you can start creating world-class resume, cover letter, and you can get the job done. I hope this video about how you can log into your Rezi AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.